What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the new iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max in all their glory. Live photos and videos of mockups. The new iPhone 14 series will go into mass production in early August. The New York Post has published photos of the exact mockups of the iPhone 14 smartphones, which are used by accessory manufacturers to create protective cases. In addition, a video published showing these layouts. The leak indicates that there will be 4 devices in the lineup, including the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Max, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. This year there will be a new model called the iPhone 14 Max, which will receive the feeling of the regular iPhone 14 with a larger screen. The two standard versions, iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max, will inherit the design of the previous generation, while the iPhone 14 Max will receive a larger screen. Smartphones will receive last year's single-chip system, 6GB of RAM, 12-megapixel cameras, and 60Hz screens. As for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max, these models are expected to abandon the banks. They will get a 120Hz LTPO screens, 6GB of RAM, a new single-chip system, and a new 48-megapixel camera with 8K video support. According to JP Morgan Chase, the iPhone 14 series will go into mass production in early August, with sales beginning in September. First, 2 small-sized models, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro, will be launched into production. It is worth noting that last year's iPhone 13 series entered the mass production stage in July. On the other hand, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will offer 256GB of storage already in the base. All new Apple production will have 6GB of RAM. Currently 6GB only available on Pro models. According to recent data, all models of the iPhone 14 line will receive the same amount of RAM, 6GB. Recall that the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max models have the same amount of memory, but the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini have only 4GB of RAM. Thus, the younger models of the new line will become better relative to their predecessors, but the older ones will remain at the same level. But the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will have another advantage: the amount of flash memory. Sources says that the versions will have 256GB of storage versus 128GB for the current generation. How much older versions will have is unclear. Most likely there will be versions with 512GB and 1TB of storage. The sources also says that the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will receive LPDDR4X RAM, while the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will boast LPDDR5 RAM. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.